Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I am trying to find a circuit that the power stays on even when the car is all shut off, and I want to use that circuit for my dash cam so that I can leave my dash cam running when the car is parked. It does have a little internal battery that keeps it running, but it's only good for like 10 minutes. It must be a tiny battery, so that's really no good. So I have to use the power of the car electrical system to keep it powered up, and it won't draw down very much because it's just a little dash cam, and it only runs when the sensors are triggered to show motion or something like that, or somebody backs into my car and so on. So I was using that right there, that red one right there, which is the courtesy light, and I thought that had power all the time, but apparently it doesn't, because the dash cam would not run correctly. Basically I could tell because I would set the date on the dash cam, and then I would look and the date had gone back to something like 2010 or something. It's just the wrong date, so I knew it was losing power. Anyway, that's a side story. So I took it out of that. I already have an add a circuit added on, and I'm going to use this one, which is OnStar, and I'm going to see if OnStar stays on all the time. I really don't know for sure. I know when the ignition is off, this still has 12 volts. I tested that. But, you know, when the ignition was off over here, it showed 12 volts too. So I really don't know exactly what's going on. Testing the volts right now, the car should be off. Let me hit the ignition switch. Yeah, so I've got my, the car is off. I've got my meter set up correctly. You've got to use a really small probe to get in on these fuse contacts. If you stick a big probe, like, you know, the standard one that comes with a meter, it's not big enough to get down in there. So let me show you. There's your 11.75, call it 12 volts, and the car is off. So I know it's got power when the car is off. I don't know if it's going to keep that power for like an hour or 2 hours is what I want, or even 24 hours. But I'm going to try it. So I plug in my add a circuit here. So, as you know, the way that works is your original circuit remains as original, and then you get to add a second circuit to whatever you want to add it to. So I think this is going to work. If it works, I won't post anything further on the comments, or maybe I'll post something that says it worked. If it does not work, guys and gals, I will post in the comment that it didn't work, and I'll show you I'll be trying something else, trying to find another circuit. Anyway, that's what I'm doing now. I got to go set the date on my dash cam and plug it back in, and then I'll be good to go. Go to the gym and shut the car off for a couple hours, and I'll see what happens. You give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. See you later, guys and gals. Merry Christmas. Froggy out. Bye-bye.